Ni thutha wa kiama gia clinical officers gukorwo gikiunanira njung'wa na thirikari nene ndumwe na kanju ya ngavana gwetha kihonia kia mugomo uria arumiriri ya kiama kiu makoretwo naguo. Mugomo uyu uria ukoretwo ri thiku ya 22 umuthi ni utigite arwaru aingi makinya marika thibitari-ini cia muingi. No na kuhana uguo mugomo uyu ni urikitie guthira thutha wa honge icio ithatu gukinyaniria wuiguano wa gucoka wira uria wikirirwo kirore umuthi. Akiaria thutha wa gwikira kirore ngirimiti yo mwandiki munene kiama-ini giki George Kibore ni uriria amemba ake macoke wira kuma kiambiriria kia kiumia turorete.
I wish to say that the clinical officers strike has been called off with immediate effect and as I have already prescribed.
Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Cleopa Mailu ni oire mweki uyu kuria arigitania gikiro kia manathi metikire gucoka metha-ini niguo kunina njatukano iria iriho gatagati kao na kamiti ya kuramata mishara.
Those issues cannot be resolved when we sit around a table but not in the manner in which they are being addressed.
Ona kuri oguo muikariri giti wa kanju ya ngavana Josephat na nok ni oriria arigitania gikiro kia manathi metikire kugia na gikaro na kamiti yake niguo kunina mugomo ucio.
It's not all nurses that are on strike. It's quite a significant number. I think almost more than 60% of nurses are working.
O macio magithiaga na mbere arutwo aria marathomera nursing kuma ma university ngurani guku bururi-ini ni muritie thirikari ikire kirore ngirimiti ya manathi niguo mahote guthi na mbere na mathomo mao.
Then the only safest assurance and only route available is that we'll have to take 4 more months.
Manathi guku bururi-ini makoretwo maigite miro yao thi kwa ihinda ria thiku 122. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni mwihaki wa Kamau.